Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights. JPMorgan Chase vs Citizens Bank, which one reigns supreme? For links to products and helpful resources, check the description below. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and Citizens Bank hinges on several key factors: geographical reach, product diversity, digital banking experience, and how well each bank's offerings align with your unique financial landscape. JPMorgan Chase, a titan in the U.S. banking industry, boasts a comprehensive suite of financial products. From checking and savings accounts to credit cards, mortgages, business loans, and wealth management services, Chase offers a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. Its nationwide presence ensures convenient access to branches, ATMs, and cutting-edge digital banking tools, no matter where you are. Chase is particularly renowned for its impressive credit card portfolio, offering attractive rewards programs, travel perks, and enticing sign-up bonuses designed to cater to a wide spectrum of consumer preferences. Furthermore, entrepreneurs and small business owners appreciate Chase's flexible lending options and robust cash management solutions. On the other hand, Citizens Bank holds its own as a strong regional contender, primarily serving the Northeast and Midwest. While its geographical footprint is smaller than Chase's, Citizens Bank cultivates a more community-centric banking approach. The bank's checking and savings accounts typically come with reasonable fees and straightforward options for waiving them, making them attractive for customers who value simplicity and affordability. Citizens also provides a solid selection of loan products, including mortgages and student loan refinancing options. While its digital platform is continuously evolving and improving, it may not yet rival the breadth of advanced online and mobile features offered by Chase. If nationwide accessibility, a diverse credit card selection, and a comprehensive suite of financial services for both personal and business use are paramount to you, JPMorgan Chase might be the ideal choice. Chase's scale, innovation, and sheer variety make it a suitable option for customers seeking a single, all-encompassing banking solution. Conversely, if you prefer a more localized banking relationship, potentially lower fees, and a focus on fundamental banking and lending products, Citizens Bank could be a better fit. Its regional focus often translates to more personalized service and simpler account options, which can greatly benefit customers who primarily conduct their banking transactions in areas where Citizens has a strong presence. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on several individual factors. Carefully consider your location, your desire for specialized credit card rewards, and whether you require national coverage or a more community-based banking experience before making your final decision.